Hopefully, you have already become somewhat familiar with TransStock. The next step is adding annotations to a chart. Let me show you how to use a few different types of annotations in TransStock. First, lines. In TransStock, there are several line types you can use to mark key points on the chart. A green pencil for drawing resistant lines, a red pencil for support lines, a violet pencil for normal lines. How to draw a line? Select a pencil with the left mouse button. You'll notice that the mouse pointer changes from an arrow to a crosshair. Click and hold to choose the starting point of your line. Move to the end point, then release the mouse button. When using the green or the red pencils, the line will automatically extend to the right to indicate potential future resistance or support levels. I will show green pencil, an important low, a high. I release the left button and the line will be extended. Also, you can click the drop-down button to choose between 8 different line types. Second, shapes. To draw an arrow, rectangle or ellipse, follow the same steps. Select the shape, then click Hold, move, and release to set the shape size. To draw a triangle, select the triangle, click 3 times with the left button to define the points. 1, 2, 3. You can always select the triangle and reposition the points. Third, text. To add a small amount of text to the chart, use the text button. Select it, click on the location where you want to place the text, and then type next results October 22. If you need to add a lot of text, it's better to use the Memo or Which Memo feature. In the menu, click View, Extra Chart Features. Next, Extra Inner Windows, select Memo. A new inner window will appear on the chart where you can type or paste large amounts of text. Using Memo helps keep your price plot clean while allowing you to add extensive notes. Annotations help you highlight key points and add important notes to your favorite stocks. Good luck!